Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car dash cam in this video? I will show you the top 3 best car dash cam to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected TSFONG RX4S dash cam. Specifications: brand name TSFONG, weight 200 grams, display IPS, screen ratio 16:9, view angle 105 degrees minus 140 degrees, camera resolution 1920 by 1080, video code H.265, video format MP4, max external memory 256GB, imaging sensor GC4653, pixels 500 mega, chipset manufacturer M-Star, image sensor GC4653 plus G.C 2053. The item number 2 is TSFONG M10 Max. Specifications: brand name TSFONG, display IPS, screen ratio 4:3, view angle 140 degrees minus 170 degrees, camera resolution 2560 by 1440, video code H.265, video format MP4, max external memory 256GB, pixels 500 mega, display size 3-5, GPS logger none, chipset manufacturer M-Star, frames per second 25, image sensor GC4653. On the top of our list at number 1 we have ASDOM M553 channel dash cam. Specifications: brand name ASDOM, display IPS, screen ratio 16:9, view angle 150, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, video code H.264, video format MP4, max external memory 256GB, imaging sensor Sony IMX307, pixels 800 mega, display size 3-5, GPS logger internal, battery built-in, frames per second 30.